Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best loft beds that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Max and Lily Solid Wood Twin-Size Loft Bed. The twin-high loft bed looks great. It is durable and stable. It has various designs. It includes ladders, multiple shelves, drawers. Further, the sturdiness and durability of the bed are of quality pine wood, with low VOC finish. In fact, the bedding is spacious, modern in look, and perfect in dimension. The versatility comes with a safe ladder, with open floor space. However, the white color gives the kids' room more attractive and spacious. Precisely the storage drawers or shelves are missing in the loft bed structure. Moving on at number 4, we have the Dorel Living Harlan Loft Bed. This attic bed built with a cozy asleep room. This bed has a 4-step ladder that is valued by parents and beloved by children. It has a full-length guardrail for added security. Its dimensions are 63*78.8*72 inches. Its weight can be 154 pounds. The pleasing shade of white makes the room look spacious and lavish. However, the design of the ladder to get over the upper berth is also safe and comfortable. Children can easily play, sleep, and even study over this best loft bed design by Dorel Living manufacturers. At number 3, we have the Donco Kids Low Loft Bed with Desk. The bed is of 187 pounds weight. It is available in different colors and having versatile qualities. Drawers and shelves are removable. It gives a different look to your room. It has a bed, dresser, bookshelf, desk within it. The installation of cater wheels gives the worth of mobility, especially at the shelf zone of the bed. The attractive design with cool non-toxic gray shade, with sturdy material, brings more safety. In fact, 3 drawers add more storage policy to kids' zone for keeping their essentials such as clothes, toys, etc. At number 2, we have the Discovery World Furniture Twin Over Full Loft Bed. If you are looking for a comfortable and attractive single loft bed design, this is a perfect choice. The bed has full-size drawers that offer maximum storage. The room engaged by the bed is fewer. The bed has roller glide drawers. We can easily assemble and disassemble it. It made by using good quality wood, it gives richness to the interior of the room, with a spacious zone for kids to store their goodies. The bookshelf and drawers designed in bed make it more useful. In fact, the loft bed inherits the safety ladder to give easy accessibility for kids to sleep on the upper berth or lower. And finally at number 1, we have the Walker Edison Furniture Steel Loft Kids Bunk Bed. It is a full-size bed made of steel metal that comes with lovely foot design for kids. It is available in different designs and varieties. In fact, have 2 integrated stairs with it. Precisely, it is a powder-coated finish that accommodates safety from rusting and corrosion. It can be the ideal bed for your bedroom as well. It saves space, which is a complement to home with small areas. However, it does not include the mattress but still the most considerable loft bed. You can use a mattress of a maximum of 9 inches thickness. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.